everybody this camera right here.
Hello, my darling, beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold, and you guys are so very welcome to this fabulous Fumi's Grammys Red Carpet Fashion Police of 2023. That's a mouthful right there. You don't know how many times I repeated it. But we are here. Do we live, my darlings? Do we love? This, my darlings, is a jumpsuit. Yes, sweethearts, it is a jumpsuit that I got where? In Zara. As soon as I saw it, I said, wait! Where do you think you're going? How much are you? I'll take you home with me. And here we are. When I tell you, Zara comes up with a couple of things, and you know this kind of mesh, this kind of applique where it just covers the bust but it gives you sexy. I just thought, you know what, this is great for the Grammys. So without a beat, my darlings, let's get started. Jennifer Lopez in Gucci, looking fabulous. I love the tassels. I love the diamante stringy on the dress. I love the frou-frou. I love the glam. The only thing I did not like, the hair was down. It should have been up. Give the dress its moment. Was it busy? It was. It was a lot, but it kind of worked together. It did work together for me, and I just thought, darling, honey, you should just come with the hair up, and I would have lived for it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. It's Jennifer Lopez. Show some sexy, show some glam, lived for it. I didn't care for the heels. It just didn't give me anything. You know, give us a platform, but don't give me that kind of cone ice cream upside down heel. It just wasn't for me. Anyway, we had Lizzo. Lizzo was in orange Dolce & Gabbana, and she was yes, Lizzo is looking fabulous. Lizzo is bringing out the success in her. I love the orange. I love the flower applique hood. I love the cape. I love the big moment. Girlfriend, give it to me just the way I wanted it. Not too much sugar and a lot of sass and pepper. I liked it. I love the dress underneath. I love the wet hair. Congratulations, Lizzo. You so deserved it. I live for it. Cardi B came and said, you know what? I am taking no prisoners. She ate that look. She ate. Apparently it was on the Paris runways last week, and she said, or her stylist said, you know what, we'll take that. Cardi did that. She did that. She did that. She did that. As a matter of fact, she was wearing Gaurav Gupta and girlfriend. It was life. It was beautiful. I think this is one of those times that I can say Cardi just gave me flawlessness. The electric. I would wear this. This would be me. Me, I would wear this. She looked sensational. Dare I say that Cardi was one of my absolute best dressed, best dressed on the red carpet. I absolutely lived for it. There was another one that I love. Spacey Casey. She wore Valentino. Ooh. Yes, but you see, the cat suit. The cat suit. I love feathers. Christina and I, we were shopping yesterday, and everything that we saw that we love, feathers, 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 feathers. And this is everything for me. I just love that kind of bluish pink, soft gorgeousness with the satin heel all the way down. She's tall, she's slim. She can carry this look off, and yes, she did. It was just monochrome, right down to the jewelry, right down to the bag, right down to the makeup. Mary J. Blige, and looking fabulous. The Blondie, New York. She's 52. Two of us are in our 50s. We're right beside each other like this, giving me body. Loved it. She will forever be a blonde. I remember, oh my God, I remember Mary J. when I first came to New York. I must have been 24, 25. She was 23, 24, around there. And she was doing a music video. I was there. I was there in the music video. And she was one of the first women of color that I saw with blonde hair even then. And I was like, you're a babe. You're a babe and a half. And then I met her at the Hamptons again. I love Mary J. She looked absolutely fabulous in this. Go ahead, Mama Sitter. We had Moni Long and she wore Tony Ward. the chiffon, the sheerness of it, the fabulosity of it. I love the hair scraped back. This is what I was talking about, J-Lo. That big, beautiful dress, it already has the moment. It's coming in and it's giving you everything. You have to pull the hair back so that we can see a lot of face. And she did that with this dress. The dress was everything. You did not need anything more. Doja Cat came in and also ate in what? Versace. She's been out there. She was at Fashion Week. She was all in red. She's looking fabulous. I live for her. I live for this dress. She gave us a cat eye and she said pump the brakes on that. Beyonce came out there, won 32 Grammys. It was a fabulous night for her. Congratulations, my beautiful, gorgeous Beyonce. I love you. When she came up to the podium to accept her award, she said, God, thank you for protecting me. I felt that because of all the horse and pony show we hear about the Illuminati. Thank you, God, for protecting me. She looked fabulous and honey was wearing Gucci, looking gorgeous. She came late. She missed one of her awards because she was in LA traffic. California, I miss you, but I don't miss that traffic. And she was there with hubby. The 3 children were at home, like she said. Queen Bee, so very deserving. So very well deserved. I lived for that moment. You looked absolutely fantastic. Yes, I'm going to shower you with all the praise and love that you truly deserve. Right behind her, honey, EGOT, Viola Davis won a Grammy. She was wearing Niam Khan. So she now has an Emmy. She now has a Golden Globe. She has an Academy Award, Oscar, and she has what? A Tony Award. EGOT. If that's not talent, I don't know what that is. Viola, you look beautiful. You look beautiful. I love the hair. You were emotional, understandably so. And I love that sugar tassel dress. You look gorgeous. That's another thing. Tassels, with Christina and I saw that yesterday because she's dressing me for 2023 and I told her I want feathers and I want tassels. I'll put some outskirt shots for you there. And it was living. We had Shania Twain and she just looked like 1,000 or is it 100 Dalmatians. I didn't get it. I didn't get the hair. You're a beautiful woman. What is this? What is this? What is this? Not living for it at all. If this was a photo shoot, with the 100 Dalmatians, I would have understood. Other than that, I was not feeling it at all. Then we had Taylor Swift in Roberta Cavalli. She's a beautiful girl. She's young. She's got a body on her. Lived for it. Simple, but it was also gorgeous. And I think it was just the stones, the applique, that splash of midnight. Fabulous. We had Harry Styles. Harry Styles. Okay, take a breath for me. Take a breath. Custom Egan Lab Swarovski crystals. Do you know, I liked it. I just wish he just scraped his hair back in jail. If you're going to do it, do it. And I would have loved him with a shirt. Just wear a shirt. Wear a shirt so that we can really see it for what he is. You understand me? He's very in tune with his feminine side. He won Album of the Year. It was a moment for him. He came up to the podium and he said, "You're very kind. You're very kind. Thank you for being so kind." You're such a sweetie. Lato, my darling Lato, she wore Peter Dundas and she looked gorgeous. Gorgeous, very soft on her. The makeup was soft on her. That's the door. Those are deliveries. The hair was soft. She just looked pretty. Just looked pretty. Gorgeousness in every way, might I add. Yeah. Kelsey Ballerini looked fabulous in Prabhagurang in a canary yellow. Yes. If you're going to do yellow like this. Almost like a neon. Absolutely beautiful. I love the cutouts. It was very precise. She had the heels to match. I was like, yes, honey, go ahead and do your thing. She was taking no prisoners and I completely and absolutely understand. Why not? If not, yes, ma'am. Then Thames wore Vivienne Westwood. Vivienne Westwood passed away. almost last month, as a matter of fact, and Thames looked fabulous. I lived for her in this dress. She looked absolutely gorgeous. It's like a gold draping, and Vivian was very well known for that corset, so she gave us the corset. I love the jewelry. As a matter of fact, dreamy, absolutely dreamy. I absolutely lived for these looks at the Grammys. Queen Latifah wore Tom Ford, looking gorgeous, lovely silhouette. She kept it simple. She had her hair up, and that was it. Do we live? Do we love, my darlings? You know what I did to keep this height? You tie your braid in a knot. Then when you tie it in a knot, the tail, and you just nip it in here, and guess what? Bob's your uncle. That's what we did. Yes. Sam Smith came in red with his posse. What do I think of it? And this was all Valentino, my darlings. It was interesting, but it didn't give me anything. It really didn't. I wasn't living for it, if you know what I mean. I truly, really wasn't. But he showed up, you know. If anything at all, perhaps I loved the hat. Then, my darlings, we had who? Pusha T was Zenga. Zenga, every day, all day. It will make a man look fabulous. He was my best dressed. He was so pulled together that I had to look twice. He looked fabulous. All black. That's it. All black. He was looking fabulous. Adele looked pretty. I would have liked a little bit more from her. It didn't give me any wow. No, it didn't. I'm gonna be honest. Her hair was beautiful. Her makeup was gorgeous. The color was so beautiful. Very Christmassy. Or should I say, Thanksgiving-y, you know. But it wasn't a wow for me. No, it was not. I gotta call it like it is. I gotta call it like it is. BB Rexa Custom Moschino. I loved it. I loved it all. I was going to say perhaps I didn't care for the gloves, but the gloves are fine. It was very clean. It was very neat in the sense that her gloves came right up to where the bust was. So it had a nice silhouette. It was clean. It was neat. She looked gorgeous. She looked like a 1970s bombshell, like a Charlie's Angels girl. That's what she looked. She was giving me Farrah Fawcett. That was what I got from this. I got the Farrah Fawcett vibes. Then we had Machine Gun Kelly. I loved it. Metallic, silver, looking like a foil wrap. It kind of worked. And then I saw, and I said to myself, who is this bird? And I looked a little bit closer, and I kind of recognized the face. And I said, Black China. And I lived for it. I did live for it. I saw the Tom Ford heels, and that was it. But she looked like a crow or an eagle, a beautiful, gorgeous eagle, and I lived for it. The thing here for me was that the makeup was a tad much. She did all of the glitter underneath the eye, and it looked like she had been punched twice. I didn't care for it. But I thought, you know what? I live for the outfit. The outfit was cute. The outfit, the heels, everything. It was the makeup for me. Had she removed that, then we would have been onto something. Onto something. But, you know, at the end of the day, you do try to tell them. They just will not listen. What can you say? What can you do? It is what it is. Camila Cabello. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you have that bust, beautiful. I loved the dress on her. She looked gorgeous in this. I haven't seen anything like this, but it worked for her, and I said, yes, mama, go ahead. This is a cute little number. Gorgeous. Then we have Quavo. I loved everything but the trousers. I love the jewelry. I live for the shades. I love the bumper jacket. I didn't care for the trousers. It just didn't work for me. It just did not. And then we have Handsome Offset. And he looked good. He looked good. I liked what he wore. I didn't care for the shirt. I don't know what it is. I just didn't care for the shirt. But everything else, the shoes, they were bomb. Lived for them. Absolute. And I also lived for Anderson .Paak. Yep. Loved it. everything about it, it works. It's very much like a carpet or like a couch. You know how when you go to these older houses and you have the carpet and the couch and everything is matchy, but some way, somehow, I lived for it. It balanced out with the cap that he had on his head. It just gave me life. Then we had Jack Harlow. I love the suit. I didn't care for the sweater. I didn't care for the gloves. It was as if he wasn't sure. Is it going to be cold? Is it going to be hot? And sleep your hair back so we can see your face. Tall guy, handsome, slim, beautiful. I didn't understand the gloves. I did not understand the gloves. The gloves was not necessary, and as well as the sweater. The sweater should have gone. Who this? Miguel. Miguel, why? What happened here? Oh, this is a lot, Miguel. I love the long cape jean. Oh, the jeans are attached to the boots. The boots are attached to the... No, ooh. It's a bit much. It's a bit much. It's a bit much. I like it. No, it's a bit much. It's a bit much loops. What can I tell you? Alrighty. And then we have our beautiful couple, Coco Austin and Ice-T. Coco, I love you. I live for you. You got a figure. I just want to see something different. You wear the same thing, hugging, revealing, as you should, but switch it up. If you just switch it up a little bit, then we can work with one or two things. You know, my darling, that's all that I'm saying. Okay? Saza, you guys correct me because I keep on saying it's Saza. Saza looked fabulous in a low cut out dress that I'm kind of sort of seeing for the first time, but it works. I lived for it. Yes, I did. And that was it, my darlings. That was it. I live for the Grammys. I think that they really did a good job this year. It was fun. I love music. I love fashion. I love the way that they incorporate that onto the red carpet. So you guys, do not forget. Let me know what your thoughts were. Let's get it pumping in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you when. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Love.